Velo, USD exchanges close $0 a fundamentally huge manner. Velo for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $0. Really, in spite of prevalent thinking, Velo's EMA basically shows a really descending pattern. Genuinely, as opposed to mainstream thinking, Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. The 14th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week and certainly attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Sought clarification on pressing issues. What truly is transient cost expectation for Velo? For the most part, is Velo a truly wise speculation, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, and in all things considered, enormous way. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the Velo specialized investigation, essentially let us especially discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they truly thought, market investigation over the very last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,058,986,395,016, which certainly is genuinely critical. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $28,914,442,597, which really shows that the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense clarified some things. What for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for Velo. Sort of, is Velo a fundamentally wise speculation? Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 47.59% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, especially further appearance how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,058,986,395,016 in an unobtrusive manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a decay of 0.78% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows that the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time basically sought clarification on some things. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Velo? In a real sense, is Velo in every way that really matters? Wise interest in an unpretentious way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time period, which basically is very huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 9.41 and is of now exchanging at 51 cents amazingly. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which by and large shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $25,973.95 level after a downfall of 0.78%, which certainly is genuinely critical. These occasions explicitly show that the market fundamentally is going in a genuinely descending course, for most certainly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a by and large broad negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $248.77, following a value change of 2.94% inside a similar time span, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. All things considered, further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,745.65 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly shows that the 14th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues. What is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo? By and large, is Velo a genuinely wise interest in a truly significant manner? Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors generally become move truly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in every practical sense, significant way. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of Velo. Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo especially is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a kind of significant manner. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the kind of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a sort of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, which most certainly is very critical. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for the 14th of June 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath. Further appearance how backing is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving especially normal union into similarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving pretty normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to especially dissect the future development of the Velo, exhibiting that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The exceptionally relative strength file shows that the Velo coin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 30, exhibiting how Velo's EMA really shows a kind of descending pattern in a for the most part enormous manner. The Velo USD moving especially normal union and disparity pointer certainly is demonstrating a present moment in every way that really matters. Sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath truly signal line, which truly implies truly bears generally are ruling on the lookout. Or so they basically thought. While Velo's Williams %R marker basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and in every practical sense. Transient pattern kind of inversion truly is conceivable. So Velo support and opposition levels and so on in an essentially significant manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo fundamentally is moving an exceptionally descending course as certainly bears effectively by and large take the coin underneath quick help level of $0, exhibiting how the Velo USD moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness pointer basically is demonstrating a kind of present moment basically sell genuinely signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath extremely signal line, which most certainly imply generally bears really are ruling on the lookout, which explicitly is very critical. Presently Velo ought to track down a help at $0. Probably the dealers could then focus on the critical help level set at $0, exhibiting how Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Fundamentally further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially has seen a value lessening of 0.37% coming to $1,745.60.